Welcome to Stack Smarter. We test the AI tools, so you only pay for the good ones. If you are a solopreneur drowning in repetitive tasks like research, email sorting, content tweaks, and workflow handoffs, you already know paid platforms can drain hundreds each month. Today we rank 5 free or freemium AI tools that actually outperform their pricey rivals for busywork automation. These picks come from hands-on tests across real client projects and personal workflows. Every tool we cover offers a genuinely usable free tier with no credit card required upfront. We will show you exactly what each does, who it fits best, standout features, the one honest flaw, current pricing, and when you should skip it entirely. Stick around, because the #1 pick surprised even our team by replacing 2 paid subscriptions at once. These are affiliate-supported recommendations, so if any link helps your stack, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Perplexity is an AI search engine that delivers cited answers instead of scattered links. It is best for solopreneurs who spend hours each week pulling market data, competitor intel, or quick fact checks before writing proposals. 3 real features stand out: real-time web access with footnote sources, collection folders that auto-organize research threads, and a pro search mode that stays free for basic daily use. The honest weakness is that its free tier limits you to about 5 deep research sessions per day before it throttles speed. Pricing is completely free for core use, with optional paid upgrades at $20 monthly. Skip it if your work needs offline archives or highly formatted export, because Perplexity focuses purely on fast-cited answers rather than document building. In our tests, it replaced both a paid Google Scholar workflow and a separate news monitoring tool, while cutting research time from 40 minutes down to 12 on average client briefs. Zapier connects apps to move data automatically without code. Solopreneurs use it to eliminate manual steps, like copying leads from forms into spreadsheets or posting new content across channels. Key features include thousands of pre-built triggers, multi-step zaps that run on free accounts, and built-in AI that suggests new automation paths based on your existing apps. One honest weakness is the free plan caps you at 100 tasks per month, which disappears fast once you add a few daily workflows. Pricing starts free with hard limits, and paid plans begin at $20 monthly. Skip it if you only need simple one-to-one transfers, because native app integrations often handle those without the extra layer. During testing, Zapier free tier replaced a $200 custom-make setup for lead routing and still ran reliably for basic sequences like form-to-email to CRM handoffs. Canva is the graphic design platform with growing AI tools inside its free plan. It suits solopreneurs who create social posts, pitch decks, and thumbnails without hiring designers. Standout features include Magic Studio AI that removes backgrounds and expands images, brand kit locking that applies your colors and fonts automatically, and scheduled publishing to multiple social channels. The honest weakness is that advanced animation and print export options stay locked behind paid tiers, even when the AI features are free. Pricing keeps the core editor and many AI tools free, while Pro costs $13 monthly. Skip it if you need precise vector editing for complex packaging files, because Illustrator still wins there. In practice, the free version replaced both a paid Adobe Spark subscription and an extra thumbnail generator tool, saving us roughly $30 each month on simple client deliverables. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace with AI assistance for notes, databases, and wikis. Solopreneurs rely on it to centralize client projects, content calendars, and SOPs without juggling separate apps. Useful features include AI that summarizes long meeting notes, database automations that assign tasks based on status changes, and template buttons that duplicate entire project setups in one click. Its single honest weakness is the learning curve feels steep for the first week until you build your core pages. Pricing is free for personal use with unlimited pages, while team plans start at $8 per user monthly. Skip it if you only need simple note-taking, because Apple Notes or Google Docs stay lighter. Our tests showed the free tier replaced both a paid ClickUp workspace and a separate wiki tool, while cutting context-switching time across 4 different apps down to one unified dashboard. ChatGPT from OpenAI is the conversational AI that handles drafting, rewriting, and analysis in plain language. It wins for solopreneurs automating everything from cold email sequences to spreadsheet formulas and meeting summaries. Real features include custom GPTs that remember your brand voice, voice mode for hands-free brainstorming on mobile, and plugins that pull live data from calendars or docs. The honest weakness remains occasional hallucinations that still require a quick fact check on important numbers. Pricing is free with GPT 4.0 Mini Access, while Plus costs $20 monthly. Skip it if your industry demands strict compliance logs, because the free version does not retain enterprise-grade audit trails. In direct comparisons, the free tier replaced both Jasper and Copy.ai subscriptions for daily copy tasks, while matching output quality after simple prompt refinement, saving $140 each month. The winner for most solopreneurs automating busy work is ChatGPT free tier, because it handles the widest range of tasks with zero upfront cost and easy custom instructions. Pair it with Zapier for data movement and Notion for storage, and you replace multiple paid tools at once. Perplexity earns second for research depth, while Canva covers visuals. Start with ChatGPT today, and layer the others only when you hit their specific free limits. Subscribe to Stack Smarter for weekly tests that keep your stack lean. Automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. Bill Gates.